may center ng Sapa. So, punta muna kami dito sa may Stone Bridge, sa Stone Church. Ayan siya. It looks nice naman. Dito na ba yun? Is there something else? Ito na yun siya? Or sa loob pa? Pwede pa tayo pumasok sa loob, Dad?
Daddy, I want to go up.
Let's go inside. Oh, Stone Church dito sa Sapa. And wala to siyang entrance fee, guys. You just need to go in. So, from here, ayun na yung Sun Plaza. Napakaliit lang na itong lugar na to. So, kaya siyang libutin. Pasok tayo. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Ganda. May mas kaya. Sapa Center, it's ano na, 10:04, and since alas 2 pa yung check-in namin, upo na kami dito pahinga, tapos baka maya-maya onte maghanap kami ng kainan, kasi medyo gutom na din ako, nakakaramdam na ako ng gutom. Tapos doon na lang kami tatambay sa kainan. Ang lamig dito, ang sarap. Ang lamig niya. So, okay na offer siya. Tapos na namin kumain, guys. Diyan na yung restaurant. And then yung hotel namin. Dito lang. Sobrang lapit lang. Kaya, goods na goods. Ngayon magbubook kami ng Grab. Magbook na kami, guys, ng Grab. And we're headed to Alpine. Are you excited?
We'll go to Alpine.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Ito, mga damit din. Yeah! The coaster. Yun! Oh my gosh. Carry ba ng beauty? What day is it today? Gusto ba 3,000? 2 rides?
Kaya na si Mat. Tất cả của anh là 14. Ano 2 rides sa'yo?
Hey guys. Go first, Bob. Abot na lang sa kanya. Going in!
Daddy.
Okay, baby, go. Wait, daddy.
Hawakan mo si Mat-Mat, eh.
Okay.
Thank you. May ano?
May nahulog ata. Kaya na.
Oh, ako na.
Siya.
Okay, we're going down. Dahan ang hawak kay Mati Boy. Ayan na sila.
Bye-bye.
Say hi. Say hi, Lovey.
Hi.
Hi. You guys ready? How was it?
It was good.
Oh, God. It's so good. Yeah. There. Let's see kung kaya ng beauty natin to. Ilalaban natin to, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Pero medyo hindi maganda yung view ngayon kasi may construction sa katabi. Pero, carry na din.
You want to try?
Of course.
Are you scared?
I want it.
Are you scared?
Bangit?
I'm not scared.
Walk slowly, Lovey. Walk slowly. Careful with your hands, ha? Don't lose the key.
Ano kayo mag-out na?
Ha? Magkipabigyan mo, babe, pabigyan mo. Kasi wala siyang nakasu...
3, 2, 1!
How to slow down?
Just slow down.
Slow down, just-
One speed only.
Okay, okay.
They put down all the way, all the time.
Okay.
Don't pull back, okay?
Okay. This is really fun, you guys. Grabe, so fun! Yay!
Yes, second time. Bab, taas mo, itaas mo. Itaas mo yung camera. Itaas mo yung camera.
Come on, let's go one more time.
Go, go, go. One more time, William. Go, go.
One more time with mama. Pwede pala iangat.
Oh,
Sabi
pwede.
niya sa akin, babo ko daw. Pag hindi nakaangat, mabagal.
Nakaangat.
Mabagal.
Bilis.
Bilis ng una. Diba?
Kaya muna.
Sige, kami muna.
Hindi, safe naman si mama. Safe naman. Oops.
Get up, it's okay.
3.
Okay, let's go.
Dali! Woo! Boy, why so slow? Look at that view! Why? Look at that view! Prepare for the picture, ha? Prepare for the picture. Look in front. You have picture, ha? I will say cheese and then you say cheese, ha? Okay? You say cheese to the camera, okay? Okay? Are you ready? Hold on. Hold tight. Here's the camera. You say cheese. Cheese. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Peace sign. Cheese. Yay! Ha? Ano? We're going up. You say, we're going up. Gonna be golden. You had fun?
I want to go up so slow.
Huh?
Here, Mama, people.
Again? Enough na, only 2 times.
One more time, okay?
Finish the poster. Ito siya. Oh. Sobrang saya. Kunin ko sa Insta na isa yung video. Ako na bala kay Matmat. So, kumuha kami ng 3 photo. Isang solo ko, isang solo ni Dino. And then, isang me and Matmat. Kasi walang matinong photos si Matmat at saka si Dino. So, ngayon balik na kami. Mag-check-in na kami ng sa hotel. Ayun, okay,